Morning, dear students. We are going through the chapter adverbs. We will discuss today adverbs versus adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describe a noun. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that describe a verb or adjective or another adverb. Look at this example. The dog barked. Here dog is noun. If we want to describe dog, that is noun, we can say fierce dog. Here fierce is adjective. An adjective describe a noun. Now if we want to describe barked, that is verb, we can say loudly. Now the sentence will be the fierce dog barked loudly. Here fierce is adjective, that is describing a noun dog, and loudly is an adverb, that is describing a verb, that is barked. But some adverbs have the same form as the corresponding adjectives. Some words can be used as an adverb or an adjective. For example, fast. My assistant types fast. In this sentence, fast is an adverb that is describing a verb, that is typing. Second sentence, my assistant is a fast typist. In this sentence, fast is an adjective that is describing a noun, that is typist. Now next example, the examiner did write. Here write is an adverb which is describing the verb did. Next sentence, the examiner is right. Here right is adjective that is describing the examiner, that is noun. See some more examples from your book. It is raining hard. Here hard is an adverb. It is describing the verb raining. Then it is a hard sum. Here hard is adjective and it is describing the noun sum. Next example, may you live long. Here long is an adverb which is describing the verb live. Then it is a long road. Here long is an adjective which is describing the noun road. I little expected this. Here little is an adverb which is describing the verb expected. I have little money. Here little is an adjective which is describing the noun money. So do not confuse between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives modify or describe nouns, while adverbs describes verbs, adjective and another adverbs. Hope you have understood this concept very well. Keep revising.